$75,000 for the first time ever. I'm not even ready for this, man. Like, are you kidding me? So ill-prepared for this to happen. Okay, let's like relax. Hold on. All right, there is definitely hype in this chat, man. I don't even know. Do we keep playing it? All right, so I'm just gonna let it play, man. It's been how many days, man? How many days? Because we didn't play it the other day. So it's been 237 days.
At the end of the day, we're all Americans.
Since the last
LFG.
Hey song. What's up, T-Bone? Thank you for the 20, man. Oh my God. Yeah, dude. It's like, okay, let's cover the election, bro. Let's have on our hats and be all excited about, you know, stuff. But you know, this is the orange coin. Orange coin, good. I think it's like right. It's going pretty well for
price discovery.
the
Cheers,
Republican
feels good,
side
man.
right now on the election. Sub Anonymous.
Is that a joint?
Not so fast, my friend. Okay, like, you know, we were broken out to all-time highs, but if we have a channel here, you know, we got maybe there could be supply at like 76.5. You know, if it just respects the channel. So, and then if you say, screw your channel, whatever, we just Fibonacci, right? The whole structure's high to low, and then you get 80,553. That's like your 1272 Fib extension. And then, you know, 84K, 1414, 1618, 89,000. Yeah.
I'm having fun with Bitcoin and everything else I'm playing with.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Rep. That's right. That's right. I mean, we breached through that level, right? That's back here. That was in late July when he said that, and we were struggling at that level. Actually, we kind of like flipped to support a little bit, you know. The peaks became the valley. Yeah, and I don't really know. Now I'm in the dark on like election stuff because I was covering it, you know, just watching stuff, staying up to date, and now I'm kind of like, yeah, it's kind of hard to do that when you're looking at price. So, you know, we'll keep Bitcoin up here. I don't know how long I'm gonna be live, dude, you know, but this is kind of crazy. Solana just made its highest level since July 31st. So, I mean, what are we doing? What have I done? No, Jesus chimes. For the all-time high. And Solana hitting multi-month highs. But yeah, people are excited. It's fun. It's all-time highs. But, you know, it's a long night. And things can change. And Dogecoin is crazy. It's up 21%. You know, highest level since late March.
Is it a good time to buy?
What's up, T-Bone?
Is that a joint?
Good time to buy. 60, 65K was like, those were good times to buy. Those were interesting times to buy. At least like, you know, back tests of levels as support. And then on futures, it happened here. Then back here, the back test, September, around 60K. But yeah, now it's, right, you can't apply the framework when you're breaking to all-time highs. There's no way to really manage your risk. Like, you know, again, using the framework taught here and other places. Like, there are, yeah, definitely other ways to trade and stuff, but it's just the framework taught here. So, Yeah, I mean, that's what happens when you break resistance. You run to the next level. So, I mean, the next big one, 22. I mean, it pretty much hit it, right? The candle high close, 886. From that high to low, you know it. See, there's the 886. Okay, you might react there. At least for a little bit. And then, was Shiba doing anything? Uniswap's up 10.98%. Okay. Oh, we didn't look at Ethereum. That, man, if you were watching the stream earlier, like, holy crap. Like, the example of why, like, it's so hard to know because they do the...
Buster, let's have an understanding. Now what?
Oh, boy.
Brother, what a way to run a
Oh, my
railroad.
God, dude.
Now,
Why? Why? Okay, cool, dude. Real cool. Yeah, so just talking about that 2400 level. Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. 2400. So it's like one valley, the second valley, the third valley. The third valley had the form of confirmation, right? It was a lower low too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, they did confirm the break of the level with the daily close, and then the next day recaptured. So no follow through. And look at it now. So it seems like that's a statement, a piece of data that is possibly implying, okay, yeah, more pronounced rallies coming because of this confirmation low on that third valley. So yeah, 2,900, 3,000. Unless, you know, whatever the trajectory is right now, you've got obviously price action to it, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, could I get some like updates, man? Some updates, you know, on what's happening. I guess like, or is there like somewhere I can, yeah, I don't know. I just need to focus on this. Wow, okay, Shiba, is it triple bottoming now? Is that what's happening? Or maybe it's like, okay, this is a confirmation low on the second low or something. Okay, so still looks pretty good, right? I mean, these are much higher lows than before. And now you're breaking back above the 200-day simple moving average, 1800. Okay, Trump's leading Pennsylvania. Nice, 74K. Remember, if you're just like tuning in, because I didn't do an intro or anything. Yeah, I've been working on getting a newer, shorter intro for situations like this, but yeah, it just takes time. 75K and 0 cents is the all-time high, the new one. Yeah, that's fantastic. This is wild, man. This is wild. We're watching some seismic shifts occurring because, yeah, a lot of, you know, there's a lot of data pointing to, you know, a conservative or a, you know, Republican victory, Trump victory. Which is great for Bitcoin, as we discussed, right? We're talking earlier. Thank you, Charles. Yeah, we'll look. Hold on a sec. What is that? All right, sorry. Having like audio issues over here. Yeah, but 75K, we hit that. And there's a supply line a little bit higher at 76K. And yeah, Bitcoin Cash, why not? 7.45% up. Yeah, I mean, almost went back pretty much to entry. I mean, that like went back to the entry of the setup. But now it's like, you know, Now you're seeing like one valley, second valley, third valley maybe. Yeah, and that's kind of like a partial decline maybe now. It's about to be a confirmed partial decline because they failed to test the bottom of the range. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Let me try to pull that up. Yeah, so I can just stay in the know a little bit maybe. I was having fun, man. Just chilling, watching the stuff, all the voting come in. It's fun. I mean, it's like kind of like, you know, you get a rush. Wow, that's crazy. That's, you know, so Trump winning is obviously like good for Bitcoin, and so the free market is obviously like maybe pricing in that for now, unless new data comes out that would change it. I'm sure you might see a reversal in price action, and then we knew like Tesla, it's probably gonna have a really good open tomorrow if Trump wins. Doge, obviously. We were saying earlier earlier, hey, the bet, you don't have to just bet on Trump on Polymarket. You could bet on Doge, because if Trump wins, then Doge blows up. And it virtually went straight up to the next inflection point. And if it breaks that, that's we're starting to get into another league that we haven't really talked about much. I mean, 30
Chuck,
cents, 34, 35 cents.
Thanks for all you do for us.
Thanks, T-Bone, man. What is... Oh, Tangia pause? Why is that? Hold on, man. Let me... I didn't even notice that, dude. Why would that show up? Can y'all see that? Dude, that's crazy. Sorry, I have to look for this source, man. Hold on. You can see, this is so ghetto, man. Like, why would that show up? Just turn that off, man. Like, dude, you can't be like coming in here doing like long, like Daffy Duck crap, okay? Like during a pump stream, like get out of here. It's just get over it. Holy crap! I'm gonna... Wow, that's crazy. There it is. Okay. My God, man. You know, it's funny. They even emailed me and they asked like, "Hey, have you stopped using us? Have you stopped using Tangia?" It's like, no, man, I don't do that. It's up to my viewers if they use it or not. Like the CEO or owner or whatever of it. So yeah, not many people using it that much, and the Daffy Duck. So yeah, so Bitcoin Cash, man, that's looking good. Like ready for a breakout. Let me see if I had an alert set up on that. No, I didn't. Oh my God. Okay, so BNB, what's it doing? Yeah, just breaking back above the 200 moving average. Not much of a development beyond that. I guess an engulfing candle, getting a follow through candle for now. But yeah, you just know there's like a lot of resistance that buyers are gonna have to get through. There's gonna be supply there. Yeah, not really that interesting. Just only higher lows though, right? I mean, that's the highest low so far, even with the lower highs. So it's kind of maybe more neutral than anything. I don't know. I guess like you could use your mind here. I mean, I haven't done this. So it's like bullish wave structure, 886, higher low. So that means that's a deep crab. So that's like 1618. 676. If the bullish wave structure, you know, it's so early, man, right? Okay, that's just so early, like the engulfing candle. All right, we'll see. We'll see. I guess it's valid of an idea till sellers take out 544. Yeah, but hey, the other bullish wave structures have been playing out. Like, what about this one? I mean, really, on stream, it was the 1618. This was the butterfly. Or the crab, I can't remember which one. Yeah, it was the butterfly. 1618. It's beautiful. So it's not too bad. And then like what other? I mean, a lot of these other coins, man, it's just like they've been so bad. Like look, Litecoin. Okay, it's Litecoin's at a support, $66. We know how incredibly important it is.
Thank you, Mitch,
and they're just
for
testing
everything
it
you've done
again,
for
man.
us.
And this could be it this time.
0.05000000 Sol.
It could be real. And this is the bottom, right? All right, I can't. Infobit, thank you, man, for the 9 and the Solana contribution. Really appreciate that. Yeah, man, I just went live for the Hey song. You know, this price is gonna be volatile. We knew that was very probable before all this started getting kicked off on the earlier stream, and it's happening. Unfortunately,
Carl tipped $25. Can we take a peek at Baby Trump /
Baby Trump to Wrapped Ether? Oh my god, dude. Do we have other requests? I don't think so. Yeah, I guess. Baby Trump coin.
Hey, huge.
Kalishnikov, thank you for the 1776. Thank you, dude. Baby Trump coin. Okay. Pretty good, I guess. I mean, like, if it wasn't a scam coin and it was any other asset, it actually looks incredible. Technically speaking, and I don't care about. I know it's a scam, dude. You don't have to tell me. I know, but like, for the sake of education, right? Bettering ourselves. This is like what a bottoming structure looks like. Whether they bid here or not, I don't give a crap. It's really good for risk management, right? Because you're at a key level that's undeniable. February, man, 2 times, and then March and May, and then here we are, this price action oscillating at it, like false bearish breakdowns, shaking people out. Oh my god! And then now look, positive price action correlation on the other side of the support resistance. So that's great. That means like, hey, you could have a stop below that level. And you got max upside potential, as you can see what happened in history, throughout history, when this level is successfully defended as support. And then you look at it like, oh, definitely like a lower low double bottom. And then you can see on the double bottom, on the second bottom, a confirmation low. One low, the second low. So confirmation within confirmation at a key ice line. Do we have divergence? Of course, well, kinda. Kind of. Not, it's... See, it's too strong for divergence because you like it's the higher candle close, right? Look at the candle close here to here. It's stronger, so it's technically a higher low with closes in this one too. So that's, I guess, convergence, divergence. Sellers exhausted for sure, and yeah, upside. Goodness. I mean, that would be your target, right? You can see the type of price action between this level is normally straight up and down. So yeah, whatever that is, that's like, what is it? 2/100ths of a 2,000ths of a penny or something. And then if it ever broke that level, my God, you'd go with the candle close. Candle close from January, and then you can see that price action really nice. The test there obviously failed breakout twice, and then it resumed downward. So that's like definitely, that would be the next overhead resistance. 300ths of a penny,
Trump.
3,000ths of a penny, whatever, dude.
Go Tigers.
Worthless, but Hear me out. The technicals, pretty good argument. And then like stop loss, you know, somewhere 7285, whatever. And then, you know, I don't know if you'll get 3-1, but you would definitely on this target. And then who knows, man, if Trump wins, Trump was not president in March of 2024 when this asset went all the way up to this 11 or, you know, 115,733. What is that, like? I guess a hundredth of a, yeah, that's a hundredth. I'm pretty sure of a penny. Oh my God, dude, it's so bad. Anyway, okay, forget that. He was not president at this peak or this peak, okay, or any of these peaks, and now he might be president with this presenting itself to us. It's unbelievable. It's crazy. It's like a story ready to be made. That's what I'm looking at. All right. Was that good? That was a request, right? Hey, Mock 316, thanks for the 20, man. Sorry about that. I can't hear that audio because if I'm able to hear it, it will then echo. Y'all hear it and it just doesn't sound good. So thank you. And then White Slipper wants OP. Thank you for the 2024. Yeah. Is Trump projected to win? Well, you know, come on. Like, we don't know really, right? What does projected really mean, man? Like, you know, once it's called, right? That's when it's pretty much done at that point. But yeah, I can't believe this. I can't believe I'm looking at this evening. Baby Trump coin. Stellar. I have to post it right. It's like Baby Trump coin.
Carl tipped $25. That
Dang,
was so
Carl,
good.
thanks so much
You
for the
deserve another
25,
25. Very nice.
Fantastic. Hold on, I'm just like posting this. Wow. Dude, has anyone else had the issue in the Discord where, like, if you try to, on desktop, try to click respect the TA chat, it makes your Discord done. Like, it crashes and cannot be reopened. You have to go into your run and then, like, the Discord files and, like, delete the catches and the program files. Yeah, that's what you have to do. And so, like, when you do that, be sure to not go click on the respect the TA chat, which is crazy, right? Don't click on respect the TA. No, always respect the TA. But unfortunately, the chat, yeah, something about it's like a death trap. Some sort of coding. I don't know. Something happened. Something's going on. Yeah. So, okay. That's going to go like on the list. I want to monitor this. I just imagine like if Trump wins, this thing might tonight, like in a day, you know, or a 3-day period, goes up 78%, 75%. Hey, want to bet on Trump winning? Baby Trump coin, you know, might be. It was Doge, right? Earlier today, it was Doge. Yeah, all right. I mean, yeah, all these like other S coins, man. It's just not really impressive. Yeah, they're like up 4 or 5%. It's like, did you see what happened to them past 6 days? Yeah, maybe it's just like the last shakeout. I don't know. These altcoins, Ethereum, you know, all just like they've been selling off really bad. Like Cardano, you know, like see. They're still trying to put in higher lows, right? You could still be like, okay, there are no more lower lows anymore. That's good. But you're still below all these resistances. Like, that has to all be broken and then back tested as support. But yeah, I guess the momentum's stalling on this one a little bit for now. One's like GRT, man, like it still, you know, hasn't made like a lower low. It just went all the way down. Now it's like an M shape. I don't know, to a degree. But it's still technically okay. Yeah, until I guess they take out 12.6 cents. Really disappointing. A lot of these S coins looking like that. But not Doge, man. What's up, Crypto Ghost, man?
Cryptogos tipped $100. Just got here. Did I miss the Hey song? Things are looking good today. I
They are
love
looking
DA.
good.
Thanks for your time, Mitch. Thanks for going live.
Thank you so
Historic
much, dude.
stuff.
Crypto Ghost for that 100. Jimmy, what's up? Thanks for the 420.
Is that a join?
Elon Musk gonna, I mean, he has shifted the course of time, dude. I'll tell you that. What he's done for like free speech and yeah, fighting against like this globalist, weird neo-commie machine, unlimited funding. It's global. Good God, man. What, you know, conservative, gun-owning, God-fearing Americans are up against. It's a lot. Yeah. But yeah, the Hey song was played in the midst of the mania. I was not prepared. I just ran in here and just like hit live. I didn't have an intro. And we hit $75,000 in 0 cents, and that's the all-time high, the new one. Worst coin in existence. Ethereum on your screen. I don't know what that means, dude, but let's, yeah, I'm gonna have an alert set up here. And then futures, you know, stock market futures also doing pretty well. You know, you got S&P 500 up 0.57%, Dow Jones futures up 0.5%, NASDAQ futures up 0.83%, you know, closer to 1%, and then Russell 2000 up over 1%, 1.06%. My God, man, this triangle is so pretty. Like they're breaking it. They're trying to break it out tonight. Like it is ongoing breakout attempt. Just back from history. Yeah, like the first time, right? February 2021. And then you just saw price correlate to it. And yeah, it's a zone. I mean, 2350. But I think that's like, that's the heart of the zone right there. 2298, 2300. We're trying to break it. So yeah, small caps, I guess mid caps, whatever. Amazing reaccumulation. And Bitcoin is not done yet. 74,230. The election rages on. The all-time highs, which is incredible. Hey, real quick, let's just check up on Ethereum and how far away it is from its all-time high from 3 years ago. Oh, it's still down 46.45% from its all-time highs as we just played the Hey song. Okay. Yeah, I got one. We hadn't talked about this in a minute, but we should, just for a brief moment, to revel, savor. Okay. So, remember, Bitcoin has made all-time highs. XRP, remember XRP? Remember 2,492 days
all
ago
the celebrities that
when it
came out
hit
for Harris were the same ones that pushed
357.
the vax. Must have the same employer. Food for thought.
Greg P, thanks, dude. XRP is down 84% from its all-time high, and from its, you know, the last bubble, it's down 72%. Whatever, you know, joke. Get wrecked completely. Imagine XRP. And you know what, we forgot, we got to look at Ethereum to Bitcoin. It's probably not too bad, maybe. Dang, dude, Bitcoin is up 7%, over 7% right now. It's unreal. Yeah, it's really bad. It's still like, it's up 0.09% after just making, you know, 3.5-year lows on the close just hours ago. We were here, man. We were here for it. We saw it happen in real time. Looking at S-coins makes me thirsty. What a night, man. And you know, like, there was some crazy MicroStrategy, like overnight trading up nearly 12%. So Michael Saylor
Is
over
the
there,
US
like,
flag going to be great again on your stream?
we'll see. I mean, I don't even know how long I'm live. I mean, Bitcoin is not done. It doesn't look like. It hasn't been completely, I mean, it's not far off at all. But yeah, officially that second target of the Bitcoin trade setup got hit. It was real close. Really close. Yeah, 73,894. That was it, man. That was the all-time high. Target number 2. And so target 3, I'm saying not even the 1272. Forget it, man. So 1414, 83,500 and change, and then after that 88,000, of course. 88,000 and change. The golden mean ratio, and I don't know. Above that, I guess there's a 2618. I mean, obviously 100K. Yep, that's gonna be a big psychological resistance, and then there's 112K, and then we have the multi-year monthly cup with handle 100% measured move in the $120,000 region. So, all right, making our way up. It's not showing the data where Bitcoin's trading, you know, 74.3. It's like up here. I guess we'll check it out tomorrow or whenever. Yeah, very nice, man. And then Bitcoin futures. Sorry, it's delayed here. I just want to look at it because it was just always positive stuff going on with back tests, perfect back tests. What the? There we go. I mean, unbelievable. Like the original anchor points, right? The break, the test. And I'm sure if you adjust it, there's probably ways to do it to make it this a back test too.
Jarl D tipped $25. Missed the live Hey song. Honestly, when will it be played again? 5%, 10%?
I don't know. Maybe like you know, when it's breaking above $75,000, maybe we'll play it again. I don't know. I don't know if, you know, it's too much or it's been a while, man. And we didn't have too many Hey Song plays in March. I guess we did. We had plenty, you know. I'm just saying after the peak, there were none again. It was just done until this evening. Oh, the music stopped, man. No one told me.
Gotta hit that bell.
The bell?
Is that a joint?
The sub? Hit that like that bell, that sub, T-Bone? Is that what you were trying to say? Sorry, I'm just trying to put on a song that is pretty traditional at this point. You know, this is I don't know, a song of the lore of this community. Been through many pumps, many all-time highs over the years now. It's getting up there. We're getting real close to 7 years. Oh, Tangia scammed you? No, Tangia was scamming my stream, dude. It's like, you kidding me with the Daffy Duck thing? It's just like, what?
Yes, never
Why
miss
would
when you
someone
go
do that?
live.
And this makes it like, oh, they're just gonna keep doing it, like, and trolling. Well, I appreciate it, man. Sorry.
Think of a special song for 100K.
Yeah, dude, thanks for like overall the time, man. Like contributing the stream. You know, it's like y'all are the sponsor. No one else. There's no like affiliate marketing. There's no YouTube monetization. No check for ads. Yeah, it's just my trades and you. That's it. As we navigate through these crazy markets. Can't tell. That might be too quiet, man. Yeah, and the bearish divergence, you know, like, sorry. Yeah, the bearish divergence, that was it. Gave us a 6-day losing streak. That was the best the sellers could do. Bobo, man bun, double top could do. All right, like, is this like some sort of crazy, here's a low, here's a local confirmation low. It's so strong. And now, like, going positive on momentum again. RSI is at like 68. Oh, I mean, was it? Wayne Batson, was that you? I don't even. Okay, well, I don't even know how to use this thing, man, for real. All right, let's see. If I knew how to like use Tangia, there are like things you can do in it. Like, I just wasn't prepared to have to do that on an all-time high pump stream. So, oh my God, dude, Solana is up 10% now. Let's go. All right, man, feels good. Like liquidity, more liquidity coming into the markets. That's good. For now, right, till they rug us. Projection for Doge. We looked at Doge earlier, and it's not projections, but there are trade setups, right? Like there was a trade setup. I'm seeing if I can. Yeah, dude, like projection for Doge. See, like that's what you should have been here, dude. Like what? Less than a month ago? Yeah, less than a month ago you could have been here and I was live on stream for free. You could have just you should have watched the stream and then I like constructed this trading plan right here. And I guarantee you there are people in this chat that are watching right now that were here when that happened. And it's like projections. I don't do that, but like this is the trading plan. So where one can set up an entry, a stop loss, and take profits at reasonable levels, right? The first one, very conservative target, just the peak from late September and the 200-day moving average. You know, it could, yeah, that if we are in crappy bear conditions and we don't really know. Look, man, it was all lower highs, lower lows for a while. You don't know if the trend has reversed yet, but and then, you know, after that, second target, it's another key level from history. It doesn't show up on these publications, doesn't all load. And then the third target, right? It's like, so 3 targets hit, and now the third target, right? Profit taking, pullback, and then it's like, oh, Elon and President Trump's, getting elected. Okay, we'll break it out. Let's go to the next level, which was talked about earlier in the stream. So, but it's like crazy. I mean, like, there are some other assets that like had accumulation structures like that, ERC20 tokens, and they've been doing really, really bad. Like they have not performed anything like Doge, and then even Litecoin had a similar structure to Doge and kind of Solana, as you can see, and had not been performing well at all. Like it's very noticeable. So where Litecoin be at, virtually, if this was the Litecoin chart, Litecoin today, yesterday, would be bouncing off this low, this 130 low down here. Whereas you see like Solana is pivoting way higher, well above its 200 moving average. The buyers are immediately recapturing that midpoint of this big range, the 162.45 level, engulfing candle with follow through price action, and now multi-month highs. Yeah, it's a lot different than what Litecoin has been doing, but they all were painting the same structure. So money came into this one, but it didn't come into the other ones, you know. And it's just sometimes it's like that. The whack-a-mole on another level or scale. My God, dude, Doge is now 24.5%. This near the highs? Yeah, it's getting there. But we're still just like hanging out at 74,300 and change. We've been live now 42 minutes. Yeah, and we're just listening to time stretch. Right, base nectar, I guess. More of that. But yeah, stretching out time. Bitcoin, it's been 8 effing months. 8 months. Bearish shark patterns and, you know, bullish dragon patterns, 886s, confirmation highs, right? A bunch of that crap for too long. But it may not be over. I mean, you know, hey, up thrust. It could be an up thrust, man. It could fail. You just don't know. But it is fantastic that we can savor this moment. And so, can I get updates on, well, this guy's supposed to be updating. Forgot. Just give me a moment. We're just hanging out, man. We're just hanging out. Election stuff's going on. We're watching.
FOMC meeting next couple of days. Another rate cut? Thoughts?
Is that a joint?
Jimmy, I don't know. Another rate cut. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, cutting rates. Did you see the 10-year yields? Yeah, like pumping. This shouldn't be happening. Yields should not be going up as they cut rates, right? But hey, you know, the thing is, it's kind of tough here because these two lows are higher than these lows and the previous lows, right? So it could still maybe be in an uptrend. But it could end up making a lower high.
Who would be a good
again,
Treasury
right?
Secretary?
Supply line
Get Janet the heck out of there.
They're trying to break it out. Oh my God. Good Treasury Secretary. Well, hold on, Tiger. We can't do that yet, right? Because it's not over. Is it? I mean, it's still like going favorably for Trump. So look at this, man. 10-year yield. This was today, dude. This was today. The breakout occurred. My God. So I guess 4.619%. So they keep cutting and yields keep going up. Isn't that like really, really bad? Or am I crazy? I'm simple TA man, okay? We do framework, we like price action, the psychology of it. We don't look at the charts as like, oh look, it's these lines that are going over. It's like, no, you're watching like buyers and sellers, what they're doing, you know, and we're just trying to identify that. And there's structures that have been studied and researched that we favor. You know, to identify. sure, Tony, man. Was there like a request or something? Whoa. The New York Times thinks that Trump might win the national popular vote. What? My God. I hope all my Trump bets win. Yeah, I don't know. For Hoover, the Treasury Secretary. Oh my God, chat. Baby Trump coin. Baby Trump coin alert going off. What? It's up 38.6%. I think it was up 24% when we were looking at it. Highest price seen on Baby Trump coin since September 22nd. It was a dream, a technical dream. I don't give a crap if it's a scam coin. You name it, I don't care. This is a dream. These are the things you trade, man, that look like this, but like, you know, I know it's a scam. But like, dude, if this was like Microsoft, oh my, I'd lose my mind. I'd freak. It was Alibaba. Huh? Yeah. Things like that. Major double bottom at key level. Someone market bot. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have another alert set up if they're breaking the like that neckline of the potential double bottom, right? Because it's not a confirmed pattern until they break that confirmation line. There you go. That would be it, man. So alert right there. Pump this S. Remember, it was like 78% upside when we, you know, looked at it. Yeah, I can imagine it's gonna be continuing to go crazy. You know, Uniswap's now up like 13%. FTM's up almost 11%. Yeah, like crypto. It's the first president like truly pro Bitcoin. Like speaking at Bitcoin conference. What? And he, like, if he gets elected, gonna be unreal, man. Like, I can't even fathom. It's so like, think about, I don't know, I mean, 2018, thinking about a president speaking at a Bitcoin conference and like being so pro Bitcoin. Yeah. And then what's crazy is like, you know, I don't even know if I've talked about it on stream, like Florida, like the chief financial officer of Florida's like government, like he's like proposing that Florida starts its own Bitcoin strategic reserve. And if Florida does that, that is way bigger than El Salvador, I think. I mean, that is huge. And you would think if Trump gets elected, the probability is much higher that that ends up happening in Florida, which begins the snowball effect where you know other states are going to start doing that if Florida does it. Yeah, anyway, so up over 40% now. Baby Trump going to take over the world. Whatever happened to the MAGA coin, though, right? The other one that played out beautifully. It broke that resistance, went straight up to the next one, and then reversed all the way. Then, like, was trying to put in a confirmation low. Yeah, it still is. It's not really pumping or anything, but this is, like, possibly really good, you know. This bottoming base was defended again successfully, and now it's broken back out above this level, so could be headed back to 28403 up there. Okay, 2 minutes till this chat. 2 minutes until the highest 4-hour candle close in human history. Solana paired against Ethereum, all-time high. Yes, all-time high. 1272. Major 1272 from the 2021 high to that lowest low 2023. That's, yep, Ethereum getting smoked by Solana. Look at this. Solana at highs of day, at highs of multiple months. Well on its way to $191, $198. Top of the big range. I'll show you. It goes back. Goes back. Candle high close from September 2021. Another candle high close reversal from December 2021. That's like the big level. Hype in the chat, man. I mean, good. Hype in the chat! Let's check out total. Forgot, man. Poor Jonathan. Jonathan been left in the dust. Okay, so it ended up being as it was, right? The confirmation low at the 2.216 trillion level. So much demand they couldn't test the channel again. They successfully defended that 200-day moving average once, then twice, and then you just recently, just around the time I started the stream, you hit the highest level since July 30th, and that's like a resistance. Definitely never had resistance that you got to break. 2.44 trillion. Hype in the chat. Wait, can we just like play it real quick? Cause yeah.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not
All right,
buying
chat.
real estate because
5 seconds till
But,
history.
most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets out of
Highest 4-hour candle close in history.
that use fiat currency as a store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
So Trump's supposed to like win every battleground state by like 2 or
There's a
something.
name for 'em. We call them
74,000, nearly $600. Very close to fresh
We call
all-time
them
highs.
We call them poor.
Hit that like button, that bell, that sub, or be utterly destroyed.
We call them poor. Okay?
We did it, man. We freaking did it. Okay.
Thanks, Mitch. Miners are gonna explode if Trump's win.
What's up, Bart, man? Yeah, like miners. I don't think there's any overnight data on that, like on like Robinhood or whatever, or any other 24/7 or 24/5 platform. But yeah, it'll be insane. Most likely. Like, it'll be crazy. What's going on, man? Hello? Sorry. This is crazy, man. It's always great to be able to enjoy a little bit of history with you at unconventional times. We're doing it, and it's great to see Solana up over 11% now. Okay, again, multi-month highs. Smoking Ethereum. Ethereum's up 6.7%. Let's look at Solana paired against Bitcoin, because it was looking like real good. Still, oh my God, look how that level was tested again. The bullish engulfing candle, recapturing the 200 moving average, and now follow through. So Solana still, based on this, you can see it, right? It's like just a big old triangle, ascending triangle, just like, wait a second, I've seen this before in the same context too. Was it the Russell 2000 futures? What's going on? They look very similar. Yeah, and I love it, man. It's and that's almost like you could see now, okay, the momentum shifted, but I can see it where it's like, okay, there's a valley here, there's a second valley. Oh my God, now there is what? A third valley? Oh, okay. Got it. Very, very nice. Good price action. Just implying that Solana will outperform Bitcoin. Because the upside, there's like 12 to 18 to 20% upside if this actually accelerates, like why wouldn't it? Rule of 3. Defended the 200 moving average, defended this key level, undeniable. Holy crap, look, October 2021, the reversal point. And then look, February 2022, a reversal point. And even, you can barely see it, but May of 2022, when they broke it, they back tested that level as resistance before it crashed. I mean, this is a huge level on Solana and Bitcoin. What is this? Dude, this is not what I signed up for. That was no. What the? We had a wardrobe malfunction on the music. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry, I'll up. Sorry, dude. I wasn't prepared for this. God, man. I just didn't think I'd be streaming. Yeah, 74K. Are you kidding? 75K is what we were at. I mean, that's wild. Okay. It's still early. Well, what's the, I mean, I'm just talking about Solana here, but what's the, what's happening with the election? Let's keep hitting refresh on Twitter. Okay, yeah. Harris winning by 5, but Biden was winning that by 11. Oh, has to currently win. Okay, I got it. It's confusing. What? Yep, so we're just like waiting on Bitcoin to go higher. We're witnessing the, I mean, this is just the pause and the move to the 886 at least, you'd think, right? I mean, this is the target area up here. The big one. If this like resolves, think about like just a measure move here, just for fun, right? I just maybe like that. Measure move. There it is. It's the TA Tetris. 39.39.3. Satoshis. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. How many that is? That's millions. 10,000, or actually, I don't know. So that's it, man. Like, that's where you'd imagine if that happens, that means Solana has gone berserk and it's outperformed the crap out of the hardest money in the world, which is Bitcoin. And there are, find me any or many Bitcoin pairings that look like this. and then I will show you a very surprised, man, I'm talking like one that is, no, it's not at the bottom and it's just been sitting there and it sucks and it's never had a huge pronounced rally and then consolidated bullishly. Yeah, find me that. Not garbage. Because you probably can't. Yeah, futures are still up. I'm sorry. Yep. Yeah, futures still up, man. About the same as when we last looked. About 0.5% for Dow Jones and S&P. Nearly 1% on NASDAQ and Russ 2000. Yeah, just have your alert set up on sold Bitcoin, dude. I'm telling you, like, this is like, it's implying that Solana will outperform. So, like, there's nothing wrong with owning some Solana to the US dollar because you're identifying this. But that's been the case, man. Even without this argument, that's been the freaking case, right? It was just a good trade setup at that 124, 130 level. Dude, I gotta go eat more dinner. Like, I had some, but I gotta get the rest in me. So, I mean, I think, like, dude, they keep calling this election, and then, like, how am I gonna eat food? Yeah, dude, it's kind of tough. Yeah, thanks for the 705 people here and the 430 likes, man. Appreciate it.
Is that a joint?
Elon will be proud. I'm not fasting though, dude. I've had sustenance today. Hold on a sec. Okay. Dude, I had hummus last night for dinner, went out to Motec. And it's like the best hummus I've ever had. It has like a lot of beef in it. It's crazy. Crazy good. Dude, this like room is getting overheated. BlackRock accumulating source. Beef and hummus. Yeah, man. On top. Yes. Like extra protein. Of course. I'm always down for more protein, man. Yeah, and these S coins, man. It's like, how's gold looking? Let's check it out real quick. Yeah, it's pretty flat, man. Imagine Peter Schiff. Imagine those tiers, dude. Bitcoin making all-time highs. Well, gold can't even stay at all-time highs after making it for, 4 days ago. I don't know, I'm just kidding. Gold's been killing it, man. It's been doing very well. But Bitcoin has a way to catch up for sure. Remember, think about like an $18 trillion asset class, gold. And then you think about Bitcoin, like a 1.6. What is it now? Let's look at Bitcoin's market cap now. It is 1.469 trillion, also all-time high. So, yeah, man. Yeah, the breakout, the back test, then look, the second, I guess, higher low, like confirmation low, local low. It's so high. It's a higher low than previous low, and they can't even test the support again. But yeah, I guess if like we're like adjusting, whatever, it's like, okay, that's the test. Fine, whatever. Either way, you got a good back test on both. So it worked out. 1.468 trillion. Never before seen. You're here witnessing it for the first time. And the 1272 fib extension would be like 1.583 trillion. So Bitcoin's market cap appreciating 7.75%, $1.13 billion to get to that next level. It would appreciate. Dude, but MicroStrategy was going nuts. Still is, like up almost 12%. Yeah, you were wondering about MicroStrategy. I think I looked at it on stream. I can't even remember. Yeah, it was just kind of like bleeding out, but kind of sideways. Got lucky with Bitcoin price action today. Lucky that it ran up and just sold off all day and underperformed Bitcoin spot. Well, you know, still you can see it's pretty in line with its trend. You know, the trend line has not been tested or put in jeopardy or anything. Whichever way you try to anchor it. 3 right there is good. Yeah, but apparently it's a 254.45. Shoot, man.
It's getting hot in here.
Dang,
so hot, so take off all
my
your
God,
clothes.
it could be
Getting
going
so
to
hot.
multi-year
I
highs
want to take my
tomorrow.
clothes
It just
off.
keeps up.
Is that a joint?
What's up, T-Bone? The classic Nelly song. Thank you. What a throwback. What's up, everybody? Hey, good to see y'all. We are just waiting on Bitcoin to take back over the show as it's up over 7%, fresh all-time high. We just had the highest 4-hour candle close in history about 15 minutes ago. And you can see there's a little more upside even if you have this channel here. I know there's a lot going on, but you got fib extensions at 80K, 84K, 88K, 69K, that red line, that's the 2021 cycle top, and then 73,835, 57 is the March all-time high that has now been broken, violated, and that's the breakout point. You want to have a daily close above that level in 19 hours, 44 minutes. I don't even know, man, what it's playing. I can't even hear it really. If I can hear it, then it's like it would echo, and y'all would hear it too. Yeah, I'll definitely play another Hey song if we're threatening 75K again. I think it'd be fun. I don't even think people know what's going on. People are just still too interested in the election, I guess. Not realizing, man, this was the real election. Yeah. The Bitcoin election. Whoa, okay. Trump won North Carolina. I need to see a, what is it, the... Okay, yeah, I just want to have a map up. Yeah, here we are, man. Here we are. So Georgia, North Carolina, Nevada, Wisconsin, Michigan, Pennsylvania. Wow. It's almost a wrap. Close to flipping Virginia? Yeah, but it can be close. What, Maine? Maine is extremely, yeah. Like they're like housing third world migrants up there. They're like just wanting it, and they're just like making it happen. Like they're just trying to make it happen up there. It just doesn't even make sense. Like how, like why are government resources being spent like on that? Like it doesn't even make sense. Like that's what's happening. 4 years of this crap going on. Just governments getting paychecks, selling out their own towns. You're selling out your town's culture and sovereignty. Like, because you import enough people into these small towns, it's no longer those small towns that makes them what they are.
In the foosball
It becomes
game
something
with Taylor
else.
Swift.
They came across the border illegally by the millions. Sorry. Yeah, Badlands Chugs, they are. Yep. Listen to George Soros music now, yep. John, everyone's got too much to lose, man. People living in these towns, they're just trying to raise their family, go to church, you know, make their wives happy, do their 9 to 5. They have very limited time, and the inflation now has gotten so bad that their wages have not gone up, not kept up at all with inflation. And yeah, so they're working overtime just to preserve a way of life that they had when they were growing up.
Thank you, Mitch, for all these years of your wisdom and preaching the TA.
That's why no one's revolting.
Learned so much from you and hope to learn more. Kangs, 0.2846069 LTC.
Trader man, thank you, dude. Hey, look, man, I learned from people a lot smarter than me. I'm just a conduit between them and you. So that's my purpose. I'm down, man. It's very fulfilling getting a chance to hang out with y'all and talk about just traditional technical analysis at its core, what it is. It's a risk management tool. That's all we're using it for. I mean, yeah, you can forecast couple with handles, man, on the monthly. That's not really okay. Can you trade? Yeah, that you could trade it, dude, I guess, for sure. And yeah, I'm just thinking more like dailies and 4 hours and 3 days, you know, price action locally and lately to old levels, trend analysis more than that. But yeah, what happened? Is Litecoin doing things? Trying to. Yeah, as that one last fake out, I guess. My God, yeah, up 7+%, pumping at the highs of the day. Altcoins starting to come to life for sure, as they looked so bad, man. They looked so terrible. Look at this lower high, 200-day moving average rejection. Like, what? And then they violate the support only to do it, the fake out. This is it, man. This is probably the fake out. Look at all of it, man. Yeah, holy crap. Run the stops. Dude, I'm hungry, man. But Bitcoin's about to do it, dude. Like, it really is. You understand? We're about to hear the Hey song again. And it was so long. It was hundreds of days, technically. It was technically 237 days since our last Hey song. We're at 74,600. A mere $400, less than $400, until we test 75,000, the all-time high. One second. I was making the call, sorry. All right, 74,700. And we're just getting closer and closer, man.
Bro, why is no one supporting? Let's freaking go. Apricockie at you for being out here. Much loved for you, bro. Let's go.
What's up, man? Well, dude, I mean, it's free stream, dude. I mean, you know, it's fine. It's like all good, man. We're just having a good time, hanging out, watching like the asset that we've been waiting for 8 months to do is doing it finally. So we win. Thank you, ma'am. We're close, man. Very close to Hey Song. Type 1 in the chat if you want Hey Song, 2 if you do not want Hey Song. Okay, 1 for Hey Song, 2 for no Hey Song. What's up, the better?
Can you check out ASM, Assemble Protocol?
God.
Looks like one of the only decent entries after this pump.
Let's see. I don't know. There was like 0 2s. Okay, maybe that means no. Yeah, they're trying to look. They're trying to debate us, trying to get us to play the Hey Song right now. We're trying to hit the Hey Song when we know the all-time high is happening within the song's duration, which is 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Did the chat break? Oh my, y'all broke the chat. Hold on, let me gosh dang, man. What's up, just saying, man?
Because everyone is keyed in
This
on
is history, man.
That's
You were
why.
living at a moment in the space-time continuum. You will wish you'd come back, you know, sometimes and visit and just revel in its glory. It's happening right now, and I guess it would be maybe 74,855. We're getting real close to Hey Song territory. Very close, man. Within $100, $150. Trying to fix the chat though as this happens. Really bad timing. Where the is it? Oh my god. Bitcoin Cash I think's breaking out. We got a partial decline on that one, so high probability of a big breakout, bigger breakout. Where the how did y'all kill the chat? Like in the top left, like it bugged out. I had to restart it. I don't even know if that'll work. Man. Because we'll see. All right, see? You see what I'm saying about the Hey Song? You got to be like really careful. See, we'd be playing the Hey Song right now and it'd be going off and we're not hitting all-time highs. Learn the Hey Song, bro. That's the real Hey Song. Knowing when to hit it and when to not hit it. Dude, the Darude Sandstorm, the South Carolina Texas A&M game, that was electric. That was really cool. Yeah, and it was a good game too. Wow. Home team, that was fun to watch. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Sorry, let's see here. I don't know. I hate how it does that. Okay, so 74.6. Baby Trump coin chat. Oh, that's the neckline of the double bottom. Oh my god, baby Trump coin! And look at that! Baby Trump coin. Wow, we got some development here, dude. Dude, that's crazy. So, I mean, the upside is up here. I mean, that's it was 78% earlier, but it's up another 25% from when we looked at it. So from here, you still have another 45% upside. And then if that ever breaks, which you don't know, it could reverse there, look, as it has before. If it broke, and you'd see 117% upside on Baby Trump coin. Good price tag, man. Really nice. Like, that's spectacular. I love that, the way that looks. To the level, the undeniable level. Okay, we'll see. Let's go. Pump it. Doge up 24% still. I told y'all S coins make me thirsty. Really. And we're still just so close, edging on up to the all-time high. I think it was 755 y'all here. There are all kind of politics streams going on. Crazy. So, like, you know, feel free to talk about whatever's happening. I have to hit refresh, and I can't really watch anything when I'm streaming. It's tough. It's hard to do. Harris campaign is no longer speaking to the media. Did you hear about this? Have you seen this? Heard about this? What happened? We seen any cameos tonight? It's been hard to cover all the chat. What? Yeah, not enough updates from this guy. Yeah, Shiba up 8.5%. Got a lot of alts playing. A lot of them just like, okay, cool, trading the same price they were trading at 7 years ago, whatever. A lot of that crap, man. Or like 3 years ago. I mean, Cactus, is that real? Is that like actually, you know, is it really that over? My God, man, I wonder if Doge breaks this. Like really breaks it. I think it would pause here. Like, this is kind of the level where it goes berserk. I mean, that is so many times in history where it's straight up and down, right? I mean, let's not get ahead of ourselves, but that's where we could be headed. And Bitcoin's at 74,800, and it doesn't look like the Hey song we played at the beginning of the stream is the only Hey song we're playing, because no one's selling. It was this, man. It was.
And then, just like that,
no supply. Yeah, no supply. That's right, Chad. We're going to zero. As the Hodge twins would say, right?
and then, just like that,
Bitcoin going to zero.
It is like loud, I'm sure. Probably good. Oh man. We're close, man. We're close. 74,884. No asks. Dang, man. When to play Hey Song to get it. What's up,
FC _ Omaha tip $25. Appreciate you, Mitch. Harry Potter Obama Sonic Danino on the 1 minute feels good, man.
I thought you'd never ask. Thanks, dude. We'll look at Harry Potter, Sonic, Obama, Unicorn on the 1 minute chart. What's up, Carl? We can look at the
Carl
Zor
tipped
coin.
$25.
Zor!
XOR/USDT hidden bullish divergence and a crazy mover.
Crazy mover, huh? There's a supercharged S coin gonna take over the world. Team of the best hearts. The best hearts, man. Hey, song vote was rigged. There was no. Try, man. Gotta give it a shot, you know. I could be a great mistake of hitting that button, man. Oh man, we're so close. Come on, just do it. With a gamble. Come on, man. Less than 50. Come on, man. $25 away right there. We got time, man. See, it's so difficult, man. Yep, royally effed up, man. We still got a little time, but it's pulling back now.
Guy, can TGE develop do something?
Is that a joint?
What's up, man? TGE, is that a stock? Is that like a new video game or something? Chat, unfortunately, we didn't do it. We did not make a fresh all-time high. But we're $60 away. Come on, man. We were this close. Oh, man. How lame. So trolled. Yep, that was bad, man. But if you didn't know, MicroStrategy up 12.4%, it would seem. Yeah, 74,900 and change, you know. I try to like shut up during the Hey song and let it play, you know. Yeah, man, come on, Bitcoin. Just do it. This is just crazy how what a universe. What a, like, man. A presidential election, you got like a Bitcoin all-time high pump going on over like hitting $75,000. That is a crazy reality. If you were allocated properly, you know. My God, oh, there's the chat. It's working again. Yeah, still 74.9. My God, man. Like Doge got an alert set up. It's 24%. It's wild. Uniswap's up 18% now. Yeah, but these S coins gonna be S coin, dude. They're gonna pump, man. Wow, they did it. Who cares? Bitcoin's the real one. Thanks for the 500 likes. Yeah, for real. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, it's hype here and you know, the Bitcoin world, the crypto world. A lot of people just, they're going to be asking, should I buy now? Very soon. You will see. The should I buy now? I don't know anything. I've never in my entire life even heard of Bitcoin. Now I've heard of it, and I want to get rich now, and I don't have time to sit here and learn. Okay, I'm not gonna learn. I want you tell me, do it for me. That's coming. A lot of that, and it's not. I mean, it's just like the con of the all-time highs and the hype and, you know, whatever, all the stuff, the fun times. Bitcoin Cash breakout. Yeah, the alert went off. It's up 10% plus now. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Yeah, you're breaking it. Yep, it's like 1, it's like 2, it's now like 3. I mean, that's kind of what I'm seeing here. It's just like Litecoin. But yeah, above 372, that's the breakout. But yeah, you want to see it above the 200 moving average. But you got targets up here. This is an active setup. Active trade setup on Bitcoin Cash. And you actually got a re-entry if you wanted. Still not at all-time highs. We got as high, this 4-hour candle is $74,974.89. Very close. We were what? What is that? 11 cents off? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple stuff, and you know, like the reasoning behind this publication, right? I mean, so we know there's this level from history that's so real, like, you know, we look at it all the time. Okay, so the price action we were receiving at that level was really, really good. You know, that right there, I was, my God, man, they're breaking support. We could be screwed if there's fall. There was no fall through. They recaptured the level immediately, and then they reconfirmed it as support. But then they did it again. It was like, wait a second, what the? Why we got hidden bullish divergence on the RSI, and you got favorable price action again, and it's like, man, that's, you think that's a pretty decent entry, and you know, stop loss just below that level, because if the price is falling below that level, then your whole argument collapses. It's like there was no argument, because this wasn't really real what we were witnessing. The confirmation low, it wasn't a real confirmation low, so that's what the stops there. And then targets, you couldn't take profit at 372. It was not equitable. It would have been far less than 3 to 1. It'd probably been like 2 to 1 reward to risk. So that's why you target, you know, more, you gotta be more patient. $400. There are these levels, like the C point of that chart, then up here that inflection zone. So, you know, it's not played out all the way yet. It could fail, but like, you know, see, you got a re-entry, and now Bitcoin Cash is up here. Yeah, it's just now breaching 372. Yeah, so that's pretty cool how it went down just, I mean, that literally just nicked the entry of this setup and this run now. So, target's above. And the thing is, right, about all of it, you don't have any idea if it'll play out. You have no expectations. You get stopped out, yeah, well, it happens. But you're just continuously looking, because you're playing the numbers game as a trader, and you're looking continuously for this type of price action at key levels, like failed bearish breakdowns, the recapturing level almost instantly, you know, like quickly, and then the positive price action after it's been recaptured. And that's the forms of confirmation that that level that was once support is support again. And then it's just nice to see, you know, like on this third valley here, oh, there was so much demand that the sellers were unable to test that same exact level that has been tested so many freaking times, right? You know, it's undeniable. And they couldn't do it this time before they engulfed. And that's a sign of strength, right? Yeah. Higher lows too. More than before. They're trying to turn the trend around a little bit. Anyway. Okay, I think there were a couple requests. We'll see here. Trying to scroll back and see if I missed any. Yeah, OP. OP coin. It was pretty disappointing, I think. Let me try to find it. Yeah, it was just, but it's not like it's not dead, man. It's just disappointing. It's like still at that actionable area. It still has, I mean, it made a lower low than this low from October 6th, but still not either of these lows. And they're still holding the price above $1.40. The swing high from November 2022, swing high from June 2023, October 2023. It flipped to support, right? It's such a big deal, man. That level, November 2023, before it ran to all-time highs. Like they're still trying to defend the level. So it's in really bad shape, and it sucks that it's just not catching the bids. It hasn't been, but like it's still okay. It's not invalid. This big old M-shaped bottoming structure is not invalidated yet. Even though it's been pretty weak, it's still okay for now. That's it. That's OP. Still got, you know, big targets, 220, 290, $3. That's if the, you know, the crypto market, if we got to get some more, like, like there have to be some considerable bids at some point. Like we got to make a higher high. You hadn't made a real higher high on this freaking thing since March. There hasn't been a true higher high. It's just been a bunch of lower highs. Crap. Okay, so hello? Is the stream on? So what's happening? Did Kramer say that he thought Kamala was gonna win? Is that real, or was that just troll? Because you know how it is. Oh, the internet, dude, they're saying this. Yeah, man, that was hilarious. Let's fake it. Okay, so still looking for the next request on this list. Yeah, I mean, like Bart said, miners would go wild or would explode if Trump wins. Like, yeah, okay, so let's look at a miner, you know, just for the sake of it. It's like, yeah, man, that sucks, dude. Oh, dumped again, man. But look what they did. 344 on BTBT. Look, it hits resistance and reverses, but then it hits support. Support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. Come on, dude. Come on. It's so real. January 2022. Oh, my God, dude. November 2020. Dude, you got to be kidding me. December 2018. Look, oh, my God. I can't believe it. April 2020. That is the level of all levels on BTBT. 344. And they defended it today, man. They did it. They confirmed it. They did not let, like, the sellers broke it. Oh, no, it's all over for BTBT. And then the next day, no, I'm just kidding, man. There was no fall through, so it wasn't really a bearish breakdown. And almost inside barred. I mean, it was very close to Harami. But yeah, you'd imagine this will be up substantially, assuming Bitcoin's gains on the evening hold and sustain, right? And like there could be a big pullback. Oh no, because that happens all the freaking time on Bitcoin. So, but yeah, I mean, you'd think it's going to be like as crazy as probably MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is still up over 12% overnight. I mean, yeah, this be up what? These, oh, dude, you got to be kidding me. Chat, how many, are there still anyone here watching, man? Got to see who else in the world covering baby Trump coin that is now up over 60%. Baby Trump coin. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick while this baby Trump coin. Look, you got Bitcoin. It's here. It's always there. I just gotta, you know, We really need to eat food, man. Like, this is crazy. What do I do? Yeah, I gotta eat, man. Oh my god. Yeah, let's look at that map real quick while we wait. Is this real? Let's see, I'm gonna refresh it. Yeah, nothing's changed.
Shibno, should I buy now? Just asking for a friend. Kangs, thanks for the stream. 75k in 12 minutes.
Sorry. Wow, man, 75k in 12 minutes. Okay, you got a timer you're putting on there. Thank you for the Verge coin. Remember that joke? It's not even in the jar. Fell out. Symbolism. Oh, can the developers do something? Now I get it. You misspelled the. The. All right. Yeah, I need to. All right. Give me a second. All right. Give me a moment. Be right back. Hit the like button, that bell, sub. Okay, yeah, so I just warmed up some food. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm just gonna end stream or keep it going while I just eat and come back. Man, it's just like I'm tired. Had a long day. It's midnight. Yeah, I know Bitcoin's at all-time highs. It's just tough, man, to keep it running. One county. Is it close? I mean, like, y'all think like, how much longer until like it's done? You know, I mean, for my sake, because like the markets would like resolution too. So if there's like resolution to this, is it coming like soon or not soon? Yeah, better. Yeah, I'm trying to get through it, man. Did I not? Sorry, man. Sorry. Oof. Yeah, I got food in there. I haven't. Yeah.
Do a poll. Yeah, this is like what happens, you know. I don't know how that just happened. God, dude, I gotta eat, man.
Kind
like,
sir, thoughts on H-bar?
Coming in, do my work. Like, you didn't do my request. It's like, I get it, man. It's like, and then I'm like, okay, let me start doing the analysis. Oh, my mic's muted. Whoops. Yeah, dude, like, okay, local confirmation low at the bottom of a range. Yeah, 312 upside target. It's pretty nice. There was a weekly golden cross. That's why I was like, haha, funny. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'm like, yeah, man, I gotta eat, dude. Like, there are more requests too, so you're not the only one. So give me like, I mean, yeah, okay, I'll just like let my food get cold. That's cool. I'll just do that. You know. Some crap coin on BitGet. Here, he wants to see it. He wants to see it. Here's your Azor coin. Garbage, trash, loser, scam. That's it. Don't ever touch it or buy it ever. I don't care. I don't care. Whatever this is, a scam, fraud, losers. Yep, that's it. That's Azor coin. All right, H-bar. Also garbage. But dude, it's up today. It's up 7%. Whoa. I mean, here's your weekly. You know, whatever. It means garbage, right? Like, lowest price since June of 2023. Wow, they maybe are turning it around.
Boofus super chatted $49.99. After you eat.
Thank you.
Thoughts on Scott Carney buying up XRP and XLM? Also, is Sin going to respect the DA?
I don't know. Like,
thanks,
it was at the key level, and it's probably fine now. It's way off the level now. Thankful we needed that. We were looking at Sin, and it was like, you have to have a God candle. Good stuff better have them right now, or it's over. Like, they're about to break support. They didn't, I guess. So, thanks for the 50. Yeah, whatever. Like, H-bar, who cares? Like, whatever, man. Like, what's wrong? What was wrong with Doge, and what was wrong with Solana? They weren't good enough. We gotta find these freaking scams, dude. Look at them. Look what they. I mean, they recaptured the level, but God, what a joke. I mean, like, imagine wanting to own a coin that just made the lowest level since June of 2023. When there's stuff like Solana and Doge, higher highs, higher lows. Whoa, nice bottoming structures. It's just trash. It's scam. I know you're mad about it. Everyone's upset about their S coin being a scam. But hey, this scam sucks. And it's like, why be here? Why even look at it? Yeah, it's just, there's better stuff out there. So you have finite capital. So you can't put all your money in stuff. And H-bar is probably not a great spot to put your money. So, and Scott Carney talked about XLM and XRP. Well, I mean, you know, we talked about it too briefly, right? Where it's off its all-time high by like 89%. Yeah, XLM's like whatever. XLM, yeah, they're holding the level. My God, yeah, look at it. That's insane. That right there, that's spring back test. That's beautiful bottoming stuff. Yeah, well, they're not endorsing Kamala, so that's spring back test, beautiful price action at key level. It's very, very good. Watch, this is so real. Like, this is such an undeniable level from history. Look at that. The reversal's there. That's it, man. So that would be an entry. I mean, that's where someone is long, if they want to. Like, it's XLM. Like, oh God. So like, yeah, around anywhere, like as close to 9 cents as possible. Your upside would be to 10.5 cents. If they broke that, then there'd probably be a lot. 13 cents. It'd be a lot more. So there you go, man. All right. So that was. You know, I'm hungry. I've been live 2 hours now. It's my second stream of the day. It's midnight, over midnight now. So I just wanted to come live for a Hey song, a couple Hey songs, and thanks for coming out. Let's see how this election concludes, and let's see the price action we get. So thanks for everything. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA.
Carl tip $25. XOR/USDT.
Brutus, thanks so much for the $50 super chat right there, man. Hype in the chat. for Brutus. Thank you for supporting this community, man. Much love. I'm in the chat. These are delayed Baba Booey's from earlier.
Baba Booey. 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 Baba Booey.